Thank you for clicking Visual Aids. In this short video, we will unlock the mystery of visual aids by taking a closer look at different types. If you stay till the end, you'll receive a bonus gift as a thank you. This valuable resource is from our Pro Tips series. Through the easy-to-follow how-to steps, it'll show you how to use visual aids and strategies, helping you to get started today. Let's begin. Visual aids are part of our daily lives. We often use them without even realizing it. A note, a calendar, an object, body language are just a few examples. They improve the communication process by presenting information at a glance. They allow information to remain constant. They give clarification and a better understanding of what is being presented. When deciding on what kind of visual aid to use, think about what will best illustrate or convey your message. Depending on your need, you can use written words, line drawings, photographs, symbols, or PCS, also known as picture communication symbols. Here's an example. This crosswalk sign uses symbols rather than words for pedestrian crossing. It's a great example of a simple visual aid. Another example is when you're text messaging. You can type your message, or if you're in a hurry, you can simply send an emoji or bitmoji, which can convey and enhance the same message. You can also use technology with visual aids. It can be motivating and gives the cool factor, especially to someone who's nonverbal. However, do be mindful, as devices can be confusing to navigate and expensive to purchase or repair. Let's take a look at some simple strategies to remember when you're creating effective visual aids. First, decide on what you want to communicate. Then you need to decide how effective written words would be. If they work, then your mission is accomplished and you're done. However, consider this example. Using the word to represent washroom may look like an easy and understandable word. However, a person with autism, special needs, a brain injury, or as an English language learner may beg to differ. By simply combining an image with the word, it strengthens the understanding of the message being conveyed. It enables the visual learner the opportunity to successfully participate in the process. Once our brain sees something, it tries to develop a memory for it. Approximately 80% of what we know today came to us visually. We remember the images and we forget the words. Pictures translate across culture, education levels, and age groups. The richness of the whole picture can be taken in at a single glance. Everyone benefits from using visual aids and strategies. Let's take a moment to reflect by answering a few questions. Can you name some of the visual aids you use in your daily life? A cell phone, a planner, alarm clock, body language are just a few samples. What about other types of visual aids? Can you name some? Written words, line drawings, photographs, symbols, and PCS are other types that you can use when you're creating your visual aids. What are the benefits of using visual aids? Basically, they translate across culture, education levels, and age groups. Everybody benefits. If you would like to have more information about visual aids, you'll want to check out our ebook called Visual Aids and Strategies: An Introduction. It includes free, ready-to-use, printable visual aids to help get you started today. Need help? Visually Speaking specializes in designing, creating, and training how to use personalized visual aids. For your free consultation, contact us today. You can email us, call, or visit our website at visuallyspeaking.ca. That's VIZUALLY speaking.ca. And please don't forget to like us on our social media. In the beginning of this video, I told you, as a token of my appreciation for your time and staying until the end, I would give you a bonus gift from our Pro Tips series. To obtain your free gift, how to use visual aids and strategies, including easy to follow how-to steps, simply follow the link on your screen. Thanks for watching and happy creating.